Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from Google search. Our topic for today is, what does restricted mode do on YouTube? Restricted mode is an optional setting that has been available since 2010. It's used by a small subset of users, such as libraries, schools, and public institutions who choose to have more limited viewing experience on YouTube. Restricted mode is turned off for viewers by default. Restricted mode was created to give viewers better control over the content that they see. It is an option to intentionally limit your YouTube experience. Viewers can choose to turn on restriction mode for their personal accounts. It may also turn on for computers in libraries, schools, and other public institutions by the institution's system administrator. Viewers who turn on restricted mode cannot see comments on videos. This is where I got the reference of this topic from Google search. Thank you so much to my channel member, Bert Nambojo, Mutya Atil, and Mirasol Idlon. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.